Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now it's a Wednesday evening. Steve's watching the football and tomorrow we are having our youngest grandchildren for the morning whilst Mummy has to go into work and do a course. So I thought, let's make something that hopefully will keep them quiet and stop them asking for sweeties and chocolates and biscuits. So I'm making something that uses just 3 ingredients. Now, the ingredients are a banana, and it needs to be as ripe as this banana is because then all the natural sweetness will come out. You need some porridge oats. Now, you could just leave it at that, but I'm going to add in just a few chocolate drops. You could use raisins, but trust me, Oliver and Mason would think I was poisoning them. I've got some cranberries. I thought, oh, I'll put those in. And I thought, nah, it's those two, no point. So, banana, oats, chocolate drops. So come on down and see how we do this. And just as with any baking, you need to preheat your oven. So I'm doing it in the Ninja Grill. So I'm going to go down to bake, and I want it, dozy mess, switched it off. Right, switch it on, go down to bake, and I'm going to go to 170 temperature, 180 in an oven, and these are only going to take about 8 minutes. So we need to bring our temperature down, our time down to 8. I can do 9, and we press start. Okay, that's it, that's preheating, we're done. Then we take our banana, and I mean, it is so ripe. You know how the smell of a ripe banana just hits you, you can smell the sweetness. Well, that's what you want, and you want to mash this banana up. You can do it with 2 or 3 bananas. I've only got the one left, so I can only work with what I've got, can't I? And once it's really, I mean, it hasn't taken long because it's so ripe, mushed up, you're going to add in your oats. Now, I'm going to add in the oats just by the tablespoon. And an average size banana will take about 8 tablespoons. This seems like quite a small banana, so I'm just doing 6 to start. And we're just going to mix it together, just like that. You want quite a dry mix, so I think I will get away with adding certainly another tablespoon. Right, and once this is mixed in, these are ready, or this is ready to go. And this is where you add your extras. These are perfect, I'm going to add in another one, perfect for baby-led weaning too. You could just blitz the oats down a bit. Right, we're hot. Right, that's it, that's definitely, can you see, that's dry. So now I'm going to go in with some chocolate, or raisins, or cranberries, or anything apart from chocolate if they weren't my 2 youngest grandsons. Right, that should do. Should get some chocolate in every single one. And then all we're going to do is, I don't need to do this, I could just leave it and do it by hand, but I'm just going to take teaspoons and we're going to put them onto the baking tray, or in this case into the Ninja. And I'm going to carry on with this and we'll be back in a mo. And as you can see, I've got 8 of them, and I'm now going to close the lid and start to cook. Now, we are in January, or Veganuary as some of you might be doing. If you omitted the milk chocolate drops, or used carob, or used raisins or cranberries, then this recipe is totally vegan. So I think it's excellent, but we have to see how they look. Right, we have about a minute to go, and to be quite honest with you, these are cooked. So I'm going to take them out and pop them onto a cooling tray. Oops. Right, they're cooked. I mean, I suppose you could say they look a bit like stuffing balls, don't they? Don't taste like it though. So I'm going to let those cool just for a few minutes, and then I'll be tasting one. No room in this kitchen. Our Oaty Banana Bites, not boats, they're not boats. Our Oaty Banana Bites have cooled. So I'm going to fry the smallest one, which is probably this one. And there's plenty of chocolate in it, so that will please those 2 little monsters. And, oh, excuse me, I'm really warm. Right, sorry about that. We'll just break this. And let's try it. That is surprisingly sweet, considering there's no sugar. But as I say, that's all from the banana. And the oats, slow release energy food. So, you've got a banana that's, you know, definitely right. You don't want to make banana bread, but you don't want to throw banana away. Can I suggest Oaty Banana Bites? So, thank you for watching this episode of In the Kitchen with Payne, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Payne, and quite a lot of the time Steve. If you've liked what we do and want to see more, then click here.
And if you'd like to subscribe, please click here.
Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
Keep cooking.